Now this is the video guys to learn use of F4 functional key on your keyboard. So there are two use of F4. First one, if you are open any file or folder or any program, so press Alt F4, so that program will be closed. Normally we are closing by clicking this cross, but you can use this shortcut Alt F4. In MS Office it will ask if not saved, you want to save it, and if saved document, so directly it will close like. Same this will work Alt F4 in Excel. Alt F4, it will close any file or folder. Alt F4. And second use, very popular, you can shut down or restart your window using the Alt F4. Once you press on, once your cursor is in Windows screen and you press Alt F4, so it will ask this shutdown option, just press enter. And if you press down arrow, so it will ask restart and press enter. So this is the use guys. Thanks for watching.